Yes, this was last kiss of his life on Pedra do Telegrafo. Don't go away, as we are going to show you some incredible insane people who risked their lives to get amazing pictures. No photoshops. No editing. Yes, these are real pictures. In Brazil, people take pictures tempting fate by hanging from this famous rock located in Pedra do Telegrafo. Make sure you watch the complete video to know how this is possible. These people are not as crazy as they look. The truth is, rock is only a few feet above the ground. It takes about an hour to climb up to Pedra do Telegrafo. The cliff is so popular that it takes another hour in line for a chance to capture one of these pictures. The results are pretty amazing. Sometimes, the truth is a lot different than what it appears. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to channel.